Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy the Crux of Perplex for Rubick in Dota 2. This changes the effects for Feed Bolt, Rubick's W in Dota 2. To do this, you first need to open Dota 2 on its Steam, and then click on Armory, and under the filter hero list, just type Rubick. Go to shoulder, which is right over here, and search for the Crux of Perplex, which is right over here. As you can see, I already have it in my inventory, but if you don't, there'll be a green button right here instead of the equip button, which states the price of the item. Just click on it and then follow through with the transaction. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!